23rd question, the coefficient of x in the expansion of this. So, the question is very simple, the meaning is direct, you have to multiply this with this and there will be many terms, there might be x power all type of terms, but you have to only find the coefficient of x. Okay, now to do that, this first term I am not going to touch, I am going to write it as it is. So, I will write this first term as 1 minus 3x plus 7x square into, now this 1 minus x power 16, I will just write 2 or 3 terms, that is it. Okay, now the expansion of 1 minus x power 16 according to binomial theorem is, it is 16c0 1 power 16 plus 16c1 1 power 15 into minus x. In fact, this much is enough if you write this expansion because they are asking only the coefficient of x. Nevertheless, I will write another term. The next term is 16c2 1 power 14 minus x square, etc. Okay. Now, this is 1 minus 3x plus 7x square into 16c0 is 1, 1 power 16 is also 1. This minus into plus becomes minus, 16c1 is 16, so this is 16x plus this is 16c2, 1 power 14 is 1, forget, minus square is plus, this is x square, like this. So, therefore, the expansion goes on like this. Okay. Now, you have to only identify how do you get x. Okay. Now, x comes when, you look at this carefully, x, we want only the coefficients of x. So, x comes when this 1 multiplies with this, see, 1 into, we are not going to do all kind of multiplication because that is not needed for us, we want only the coefficient of x. So, therefore, x comes when 1 gets multiplied to this. So, when 1 gets multiplied with minus 16x, we will get minus 16x. Okay. Next, x comes when the second term gets multiplied with this, see, minus 3x into 1 will get minus 3x, and there is no other x you are going to get. Now, this is x square if you multiply with anything, it will be either x square or more, so we are not going to get x. Similarly, these terms are x square, x cube, etc. They are already greater than x. If they get multiplied with anybody, they are not going to give x at all. So, only 2 cases, when this gets multiplied here and this gets multiplied here, we are going to get x. So, therefore, this is minus 19x. So, in this whole expansion, there will be a term called minus 19x, and they are asking what is the coefficient of x. So, the coefficient of x is minus 19. So, therefore, option D is the answer.